Hoy! Welcome to Cook and Vibe, people. My name is M to the dot to the R. Yes, another festive episode today, people.
Tell me how you feeling. We are Cook and Vibe. We are cool vibe, the Mr. Greeting. Tell me how you feeling. We are Cook and Vibe. We are cool vibe.
Do you know what I'm saying? So, you don't know Christmas time, turkey. What have we got to complement the turkey? June Plum hot sauce. The Cook and Vibe June Plum hot sauce. I'm telling you, people, it is just a perfect match for the turkey. Do you know what I'm saying? So today, people, on Cook and Vibe, we're making June Plum turkey. We're gonna make some sorrel because it's Christmas time. We got the fresh sorrel flowers. And we're gonna do some little Brussels sprouts, cause you done not say Christmas time. Little broccoli, some roast potatoes, them thing there, you know what I'm saying? It's a Christmas thing, June plum turkey and sorrel. Oh, it's Christmas time. You done see the hat already. You get me? So you know, so we're in the mood. Oh, yes. So we got our sorrel here, people. We got our ginger. We got our June plum hot sauce, as you can see right there. And we've got our turkey breast. Got our vegetables there as well. Right, so we're gonna deal with the turkey now, okay? So if you're using a turkey, a full turkey, just cut in where you can and just try and get that flavor inside the meat where you can, do you know what I'm saying? We've got a turkey breast, so what I'm gonna do, people, is just slice down like that to make some like gaps in it so we can get the hot sauce nicely inside. So we're just gonna score up this, people, get some nice gaps in there, and we're gonna put the hot sauce in. Oi, oi. All right, so as you can see, people, I've got my slits in my turkey. I'm just gonna choke that, and then make sure there's some nice holes in it so we can just now we're going to start the marination process. You know what I'm saying? So we're just going to tip that hot sauce on there. Now we're not going to put that much seasoning, but we're going to put the hot sauce on before the seasoning, because then the seasoning will stick to this. So we're just marinating this turkey breast now with the June plum hot sauce. Yeah. I'm saying that side's done. We're going to turn that over just because we're going to lose a bit on that side. We're going to go back in afterwards. We're just going to marinate. You know what we are going to do? Once we're here, we're going to choke that side. Yeah. So that should be nice for that side. This side was still coated nicely. We'll go back in, and we might baste it a couple more times once that's done. Yeah, we're gonna put a little bit of all-purpose seasoning over this, and that's it. We just want to taste the June plum in the turkey. Do you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this breast is gonna take an hour. So yeah, we're gonna put this in first, and then we can get busy with the rest of what we're doing today. Hoy! It's Christmas time, people. You know what I mean? As you can see, people, I just marinated it up and get some seasoning, dry seasoning. We just used this Trinidad, the Trinidad seasoning, man. So we got the June plum, we got some dry seasoning on the turkey. We're ready to put it in the oven for 1 hour. June plum turkey, hoy! Yes, people, so we're gonna wrap this up in some tin foil so we keep the flavor inside there. So do remember, get your June plum hot sauce. Now listen to me very carefully. the June Plum hot sauce is available until the 14th of December. After that, no more orders will be taken. Okay? To get the June Plum hot sauce and the passion fruit member, go to the link in the description. Contact me on Instagram. If you don't use Instagram, there is an email me there. There's an email. You can email me for the hot sauce. So email or Instagram, contact me for the hot sauce. We've got the June Plum, which is perfect for today's turkey, your Christmas dinner. Absolutely perfect. Yeah? And we've got the passion fruit hot sauce. You know what I'm saying? So even if you want to just get someone a Christmas present, whatever, it's there. But we're only taking, remember this video is going out today, so you've only got 2 or 3 days left to get your orders in. So quick and fast, people. Yeah, our turkey is ready. We are going to put that in the oven. And yeah, oi. People, don't forget to press the like button, get that algorithm going. Don't forget to share, otherwise it's just unfair. And don't forget to subscribe, otherwise your fingernails are going to go rusty. Now, it wouldn't be a Christmas dinner without Brussels sprouts. This is an English thing, people. Let me know. Jamaica, is this popular? I've seen Brussels sprouts in Jamaica. I've seen them there, but is it popular for Christmas dinner? Let me know. Canada, let me know. USA, let me know. Germany, the whole world. I want to know if Brussels sprouts are popular for you at this, especially this time of year. I love getting the stalk. It's just cool. Rip them off. Bosh. Now, not everybody knows how to do Brussels sprouts. So we're going to show you how to do Brussels sprouts today, people. But first of all, I think we lost one there. We're just going to rip them all off the stalk. Yeah. But people, it's Christmas time. So, you know, like you get a little bit sentimental Christmas time. You know what I'm saying? So I want to just thank you all again, man, for your support. Yeah, it's been a really cool year. You know, from we started off, oh, we lost another one there. When we started off, you know, pretty much in Jamaica, you know, we went right the way through the year, man. It's been absolutely crazy year. We've hit 40K this year. You know, the hot sauce has been created this year. First of all, the passion fruit. Now the June Plum, what we're dealing with today. It's just a good movement, do you know what I'm saying? So, it's a blessing. Thank you for all your support. It does mean a lot. And then we're going to continue going. We're gonna do some festive episodes for the Christmas. And then as soon as Christmas is out of the way, then we shall get on that plane. Now, hopefully we can go back to Jamaica. So that's the plan, and go and see Ras Kitchen again, go and see everybody, catch up with everyone and do some, when I go to Jamaica this time, I want to do more of like the crazy episodes, but do them over there. And yeah, I've got Brussels sprout shells all over the floor, and I've got my bowl of Brussels sprouts. So basically, doing a Brussels sprout, people, you want to take this outside layer off, first of all, right? And then you chop that little end bit off. The little end bit, you just chop that off. And then you score it. You put one like that, one like that, and that is how you cook your Brussels sprouts. Don't mess about! Brussels sprout. Hoy! It's Christmas. Yes! We've chopped up our Brussels sprouts. Our June plum turkey is in the oven. We're going to chop up our, I used to call them flowers. I used to tell the kids they're flowers when they're little. Broccoli. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to chop up the broccoli now. Chop it off the stem. And so basically after this, I'm not going to make homemade roast potatoes. That's going to be a next episode, people. So don't start cussing me and saying, packet roast potato. Yes, because I'll tell you the truth. I've done an episode for you guys, which I'll be dropping next week or next episode. literally finished recording it today, and then I realised, oh, I better do the June plum because we stopped selling them by like the 14th, so I'm gonna have to put this episode out. Do you know what I'm saying? So I've literally like, we've lost a bit of broccoli. Literally, just been non-stop today, people. So yeah, we're not gonna make our own roast potatoes. But our broccoli's ready. Our Brussels sprouts are cut up. Our turkey's in the oven. We've got some roast potatoes. Yes, let's make some sorrel. Guys, Christmas time, it's only right. Oh, what yoy, people? Let's have a look how we're getting on here. Oh, come and have a look at this, people. Come and have a look at this. You see the juices? Oh, wool on there, wool on there. You see the juices? Yeah. Now if we get a spoon, get me a spoon, please. Yeah. Smelling good. We're gonna baste it again. We're gonna baste it with this juice here because this is the meat juice and the June plum hot sauce as well. You know what I'm saying? So yes, we got a spoon there. So just gonna. You know what I'm saying? Oh, look at that, people. Beautiful. Yeah. Look. Oh, it's smelling beautiful. Yeah. I want to get a little bit more of the... Yeah. Wow. June plum turkey, people. It's a good look. So we're going to wrap that back up again. And we're going for the roast. Oi! I don't usually have roast potatoes, but I thought I'd make a change today. So yeah, we've got our roasties. We're gonna put that back in there, 35 minutes, and that should be done. Oh, here is the sorrel. Yeah. Let's get to making the sorrel. These ones are fresh ones, people, as you can see. People just, when they pick them, they just pop this up and the flour comes off. And that's how you make sorrel drink. Yeah. Remember, I actually had a plant. I'm gonna try and find a video. I had a sorrel plant growing. Scallion, let this sorrel. I hope this sorrel gives me some flour so I can make at least a little bit of a drink. But unfortunately, it died, people. What we're gonna put in here as well is we've got some lemon skin and we've got some orange rind and we've got some ginger. So basically, it all goes in the pot and then we just boil it up with some water. Yeah. Sorrel, because you don't know, say at Christmas time. Yeah, like I said, sorrel is actually also named a hibiscus. Hibiscus. So it's a hibiscus flower. These are flowers. Unfortunately, like I said, it would have been wicked if I grew that plant and grew my own sorrel. That was the plan for Christmas. It didn't quite work out, but very popular in Jamaica, other countries as well. Put that all in there. Just gonna get all the lemon rind, the orange rind, and put that in there as well. We're just gonna get something, and we're just crush the ginger. Put that in there, and we just fill that up with water and boil it. Yeah. Soon as it touches that water, it starts changing colour. Everything is in there, people. We're gonna start cooking that now. Yes, people. You don't have to boil it for that long. You don't have to boil it for that long. 20 minutes and it should be good. You get me? So now we're gonna let this cool down and you're gonna leave that overnight to secaline. Obviously you're gonna strain it. It goes without saying. But yeah, strain it and then we're gonna leave that overnight. You know what I'm saying? Oil. Woyoy! there we have it. June plum turkey, Brussels sprouts, roast potatoes, broccoli. You done know we've got our glass of sorrel there. Yeah! Sorrel and June plum turkey. See it there, people? Looking delicious. Yes, people! So it's taste time. June plum turkey, sorrel with vegetables. So let's just, look at this, people. Look, it's just, look. Beautiful. So, let's taste it. Yeah. All right, so we've got to get a nice outside that's been marinated nicely. I knew it. I knew that June plum would work with it. I knew it. I'm gonna get a bit more turkey. I'm gonna dip it in the June plum hot sauce. Oh my days. It's like, you know, you get like an apple sauce and stuff like that, but it's that June plum. It's absolutely perfect. I even want to dip my roast potatoes in the hot sauce. Brussels sprout. I don't like Brussels sprout, people. Broccoli. Honestly, that turkey is amazing. I'm going in for another bit. You gotta have the hot sauce though. You gotta have the hot sauce. Merry Christmas. And to wash it down, we got our sorrel. Yeah. That distinctive sorrel taste. Kind of like tastes like Christmas. It tastes like Christmas. You can taste the lemon in there, the orange in there, the ginger in there, just hits the back of your throat. Cheers, people. Good vibes. You know what I'm saying? To get the hot sauce description, email me. If not, contact me on Instagram. Quick and fast, people. Remember, I'm only taking orders to the 14th of December. Let's go. You done know everything set. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to press the subscribe button, press the like button, get that algorithm going. You done know everything set. It's Cook on Vibe, M.R. It's Christmas time, June plum turkey and sorrel. Oi. Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Yes, people. Welcome to the big up section. Quick one this week. You know what I'm saying? I've done 2 episodes today. Watch out for Thursday's episode. Sorrel ice cream. Yeah, and other things as well. So don't worry yourself. Make sure you're locked into that one there. Do the right thing. Subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe, man said. Subscribe if you haven't already. Press the like button. Do all the good stuff. It's Christmas time. You know what I'm saying? So this week's big up Toby Phillips. Yeah, Toby Phillips says, great episode, my guy. Love how they do in Amsterdam, and you showed it really well and had a lovely trip at the same time. Yes, my bro. Amsterdam was lovely. I'm glad that I showed it in the right way. I'm glad that you enjoyed it. People, if you haven't seen the Amsterdam episode, previous episode, go check it out. Why? And also, big up Scott Stewart. Scott Stewart says, rate you, I think he meant to say rate you, M. Proper down to earth, humble guy. Big up yourself. Keep the content coming. Deserve a bigger following. That is what we're working on, my bro. We've hit 40k, 50k next. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Tell a friend to tell a friend. It's Cook and Vibe. It's Christmas time. Why? I'll see you next time.